in all the cars, dreaming of a white limousine. She wants to have a white limousine. Yes, she does. Well, the days to come were long and dark, and the nights were hard and cold. She met the devil in the city of angels, never lost her soul. She kept her dreams close to her heart, like a family photograph. She cried sometimes and died sometimes, still knew how to laugh. Dreaming of a white limousine, dreaming of a white limousine.